Imagine this. Over 1 billion people, connected not just by the internet, but by intelligence. Artificial intelligence. India is not just going digital, it's going intelligent. But the real revolution, it's not happening in big cities like Mumbai or Bengaluru. It's unfolding in small towns, villages, where AI is quietly rewriting the story of the next billion internet users. And what makes India the perfect testing ground for the world's most ambitious AI experiments? Let's dive deep. Just a decade ago, India's internet story was about access. Today, it's about intelligence. From typing hello in English to asking kya mera result aaya on Google in Hindi or Tamil, the shift is more profound than we realize. AI isn't just helping Indians use the internet. It's teaching the internet to understand India. Every click, every voice note, every local query is making AI smarter in 22 languages and 19th of 500 dialects. But wait, how did we reach this point? It started with 3 big waves. First, the geo revolution. Cheap data, cheap phones, and millions suddenly online. Second, the UPI wave, turning every mobile into a digital wallet. And now, the third and biggest, the AI wave, turning every phone into a personal assistant, translator, and tutor. This isn't just progress, it's transformation. Think about this. A farmer in Bihar now asks ChatGPT-style bots about fertilizer prices. In Bhojpuri, a student in Manipur learns physics through AI-translated YouTube videos in Meitei. A mother in Kerala uses voice AI to book groceries because she never learned to type. This is the silent revolution, the rise of India's intelligent internet. Behind the scenes, giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are racing to localize AI for India. But the real heroes are homegrown. Startups like Sarvam AI, Karya, and Krutrim are building models trained in Indian languages for Indian realities. Sarvam's Indic LLMs can understand 12 Indian languages fluently. Karya is paying rural workers to generate voice datasets, making AI both ethical and inclusive. And Krutrim, India's first indigenous AI model from Ola's Bhavish Agarwal, is aiming to compete with OpenAI's GPT line head-on. But this story isn't just about technology. It's about trust, accessibility, and representation. When an AI finally understands your accent, your culture, your idioms, that's when it truly becomes yours. And for India's next billion users, this moment has arrived. Let's break it down. AI in communication, bridging the literacy gap. Voice assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and GeoVoice now respond fluently in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, and Marathi. They don't just translate, they interpret emotion. AI in education, revolutionizing learning for first-generation students. Apps like Khan Academy, Lead School, and Vedantu are integrating AI tutors that adapt to a child's pace. A 10-year-old in Nagpur can now learn in her mother tongue with an AI that never loses patience. AI in governance, making services accessible to everyone. From PMGDisha training modules to AI chatbots for crop insurance and public grievances. Technology is closing the gap between citizen and system. But here's the twist. AI's success in India isn't just about technology adoption. It's about emotional adoption. Indians talk to their AIs like family. Okay Google, lights on. Alexa, play Lata Mangeshkar songs. ChatGPT, tell me a Hindi poem. The human-AI bond in India is more personal, more emotional, more cultural. However, with every new wave comes a question. Is AI empowering or replacing? For India's rural entrepreneurs, it's empowerment. They're using AI-driven WhatsApp bots to sell handcrafted goods globally. For content creators, its expansion seeds. Dubbing tools like Dubverse and Deep Dub are turning one language video into 10 regional versions overnight. But for some traditional jobs, it's disruption. Call centers are shifting from human voices to conversational AIs that sound just like them. So, is AI creating jobs or killing them? The truth lies in transformation, not replacement. According to NASSCOM, by 2026, AI and automation could create over 20 million new digital jobs in India. In areas like data labeling, model fine-tuning, AI operations, and voice training. And the best part? Most of these don't need a computer science degree. Just curiosity and basic digital skills. That's the beauty of AI-powered India. It's democratizing opportunity. Let's talk about accessibility. Until recently, English was the gateway to the internet. But in 2025, AI translation tools have changed everything. You can now ask a question in Assamese and get an answer in perfect Assamese, powered by transformer-based multilingual models. Meta's Seamless M4T and Google's Translatotron are enabling real-time voice-to-voice translation between Indian languages. That means two people from different states, who never spoke the same tongue, can now communicate instantly through AI. This isn't just technology. This is social unity powered by algorithms. And what about small businesses? AI is their silent business partner. A weaver in Varanasi uses Canva's AI to design product posters. A Kirana shop owner uses WhatsApp AI bots for automatic billing. A digital marketer in Pune uses ChatGPT to write captions in Marathi and English simultaneously. India's next billion are not waiting for Silicon Valley. They're already building their own silicon streets. But wait, there's a hidden side too. As AI becomes more powerful, concerns rise around data privacy, misinformation, and bias. What happens when AI misunderstands local context? When it amplifies stereotypes or spreads fake political news? India's next billion users deserve not just smarter AI, but safer AI. Thankfully, India's new Digital India Act and AI ethics framework are setting global precedents for responsible use. Meanwhile, the energy behind AI in India is unstoppable. In Bengaluru, developers are fine-tuning models for 17 Indian scripts. In Hyderabad, startups are building AI for agriculture, predicting rainfall and crop diseases with 90% accuracy. In Delhi, policymakers are experimenting with AI-driven traffic lights to reduce congestion. Every corner of India, from metro to village, is being touched by intelligence. But let's pause for a second. What does this mean for you? If you're a student, learn to talk to AI like a friend. Prompt it, challenge it, co-create with it. If you're an entrepreneur, build with AI, automate, scale, and localize. If you're a creator, use AI to reach hearts in every language. Because the next digital revolution in India isn't about learning to use AI. Tech. It's about learning to think with AI. And here's the most powerful insight. The next billion internet users won't just consume AI. They'll train it, shape it, own it. When an Indian voice corrects a chatbot's mistake, it improves the model for everyone. When a local data set is added, it expands the world's knowledge base. When a regional startup scales globally, it shows the world how inclusive innovation looks. India isn't catching up. It's leading quietly, confidently, and collectively. So the next time you hear someone say AI will replace humans, remember this. In India, AI isn't replacing us, it's reflecting us. Our diversity, our curiosity, our unstoppable spirit. AI won't just power India's economy. It will power India's identity. So if you believe in this vision, if you believe India's next billion deserve an intelligent future, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment telling us where you're from.